Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce special head unit Android 8.0 Oreo system special for Mitsubishi Outlander 26 to 2012 years. Okay, you can check this UI and GPS card. You can SD card, volume, home button, back button. This is USB, front USB, IR, DVD slot, microphone. Okay, this is reset hole. This is mini USB. You can connect the front. Okay. Let me show this head unit. This is the interface. You can change it. You can check car launcher AGAMA. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address. You can click SIM. Change the SIM color. You can change any color on this panel. Okay, apply. Okay, let me check the settings. System. But motion, you can check the model is PX5, Octa core rock chip, Android version is 8.0, Oreo. Okay, we back to home. Let me show the internet. It's connect Wi-Fi and let me connect SSI. Okay. This is speaker, small speaker. I test to this device. Let me connect the small speaker. Okay, it has sound. Okay, connect the speaker. Let me show the internet. Connect to Wi-Fi. It is both Google voice command. Let me try. New York. Sorry for my poor English. You can check its search. Then we can try again. Other Beijing. Okay, you can check. This is Beijing. It will search automatically. Let me try the
stretching back 3 millennia.
Okay, let me search. Let me search the Belsee. Our website. Okay, this is our website. You can contact us if you have any more questions. This new model for BMW. Okay. Let me show the navigation. It's built in Google Navigation. You can search Moscow. Okay, it will search Moscow automatically. Shanghai. Okay, it also can search Shanghai automatically. Let me show the music. This is USB front panel. Connect the USB driver. Okay, USB mounted. A volume control. We'll show the amplifier. Load. Okay, you can very show the dual screen. Sorry, I want to show the navigating. Google Maps. Okay, it can run the Google navigation and music at the same time. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth video. We show the video at first. You can check video disabled driving for safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find the setting, car, and find driving setting. Watch video, turn on. You can check this supports 4K, this some 4K demo video. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. It's pin number 40. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus. Turn on the Bluetooth at first. Click search button to search the phone. Okay, it's searched my phone. You can check, you need to put the pin number 40. Okay, it's show connected, change the color. You can make phone call. Okay, no problem. You can stream music from your phone. Okay. Volume control from your phone. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.